Highlights of XCMG Deep Well Drilling Rig. High quality hole. The rotary drive and intersection of drilling masts are outfitted with sliding rollers to achieve less abrasion and higher drilling accuracy. The integrated feeding system is sensitive and has low pressure loss, with pressure automatically adjusting to fit the weight of drilling tools. High efficiency. The winch is designed to have an override of oil feeding to ensure the priority of handling drill pipes and drilling tools, an improvement on drilling efficiency. The combination of dual pumps are controlled with a single handle, providing comfort during operation. Energy saving. The hydraulic system adopts the technologies of multi-pump combinations and split flow to maximize the reduction of heat as well as fuel consumption. The adoption of hydraulic-controlled gas valves and optimized arrangements of manifold help save energy. Easy maintenance. The rotary drive may work with either water or gas to suit different working conditions. The patented seals of gas or water swivel joints help prolong service life and ease maintenance. Each section of the electrical system is equipped with short circuit protection, integrated fuse, and relay for easier maintenance. The main hydraulic components adopt the first-class brands, performing with high reliability and convenience for after-sales service.